Today my video title is, Revving Up the NFT Market. Mattel Unveils Fast and Furious Costly Cars. Collection Costly startup toymaker Mattel to launch Fast and Furious Cars NFT collection. The collection will feature cars from the blockbuster Fast and Furious movie franchise. Now you can enter the world of the Fast and Furious. And it won't cost you the pink slip to your car. Timed. Alongside the release of the latest installment of the Fast and Furious film franchise, iconic toy maker Mattel is set to launch the newest edition of its Hot Wheels NFT Garage series based on the global blockbuster series. The Hot Wheels NFT Garage X Fast and Furious collection will reside on the Flow blockchain and feature cars from the movies, including Dominic Toretto's 1970 Dodge Charger, Brian O'Connor's 1969 Camaro, and Suzuki Honda S2000 from Fast and Furious. The limited edition NFTs will sell for $20 per pack. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are unique cryptographic tokens linked to digital and physical content. They serve as digital certificates of ownership, authenticity, or membership. Each NFT is one of a kind, ensuring the originality and exclusivity of the digital collectible. Mattel, the renowned toy manufacturer, has made a thrilling entry into the NFT market by introducing the Unquote Fast and Furious Costly Cars Unquote collection. This groundbreaking collection offers a fusion of digital and physical assets, capturing the essence of the beloved Fast and Furious franchise. Each NFT represents a unique, high-end toy car from the iconic movie series, accompanied by a physical counterpart. This innovative approach not only appeals to collectors but also adds an exciting dimension to the NFT market. With Mattel's expertise in creating captivating toys and the enduring popularity of Fast and Furious, this collection is poised to rev up the NFT industry with its blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology.